Hi everyone, welcome to our Derme&Co video. My name is Tracy Italiano and it's a pleasure to be with you for the last week of December, right before the holidays. We thought it would be a wonderful opportunity to present to you a couple of great tips and tricks that will help you to keep your skin happy and healthy all winter long. We know that as soon as we start heating our homes, as well as the extreme temperatures going from hot to cold, really pulls quite a bit of moisture out of the skin, and we can definitely start to see more symptoms of dehydration, as well as a condition called alopecia skin, which is a skin that's lacking oil. So for this particular segment, we're going to be focusing on the importance of the hydrolipidic barrier of the skin, and just to make sure that we always take a look at what type of cleansers that our client is using, as well as what type of moisturizer they're using. Just in those two simple steps, we can find a lot of great solutions to prevent dry skin even before it starts. So for the first step, selecting a cleanser that contains microbiome-friendly active ingredients is going to be really key. It absolutely starts with the first step in what we choose to cleanse our skin with. So if we do have dry sensitive skins, any type of conventional soaps and any formulas containing sulfites should be completely removed, as sulfites will basically disrupt the essential hydrolipidic barrier of the skin and also promote more transdermal water loss. So from there, cleansing the skin with an adapted cleanser is going to be the first step to healthy skin. The next step, of course, is to rebalance the skin's pH with a pH balancing toner. My favorite two, of course, in bioacne and biotonsis, they really do provide a wonderful cleansing action, but really restore hydration and comfort to the skin instantaneously. You'll find that throughout all of our formulas within Derme&Co, this approach is followed through within Nelly Diverse, within Physioderm, as well as Druid, and even our private label products. So for the winter time, what we found in our experience to be the most effective way to treat dry skin is by layering oils and creams together. We know that the quality of moisturizers varies greatly from what's on the market today. And what's important is to really look at what is in that product that's going to supply that hydration. So looking for oils that are very rich in essential fatty acids, as well as other benefiting ingredients such as vitamin E, are going to be really much more restorative and impart more longer lasting hydration into the skin. So if we look at any of the oils that we carry within Derme&Co, these are great opportunities that clients can actually customize the richness of their cream every morning and every night, depending on their needs, simply by layering the oil underneath the moisturizer right before we apply it. If we're in a rush, we can even add just a few drops into our cream, mixing it together and customizing the richness of our product in that moment as well too. So from there, when we do layer our products, we actually not only deliver these essential fatty acids to the skin, but we're also maintaining essential water-based hydration in the skin at the same time. We know that ceramides, the hydrolipidic barrier, and the microbiome are all interrelated and a key to healthy skin. So through Derme&Co, you'll always have some great solutions to not only treat dry skin conditions as they appear, but to effectively prevent dry skin conditions throughout the winter months. So if you have any questions or need more information on how to layer different products and to get the full benefits out of your formulations, please don't hesitate to contact us, and it'll be an absolute pleasure to assist you. So we're wishing you a very happy holiday season and all the best for 2021, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care, everybody. Stay cozy. Bye.